Welcome back, everybody. Today we're going to be talking about conditionals, if clauses. What are they? If you watch this video, you will find out. That was an example of an if clause. If you watch this video, you will find out. So what is a conditional clause? A conditional clause, sometimes called an if-then clause, is a sentence with a condition and a result. So you're saying, if this happens, this will happen. And they can be either way round. Let's look at one example to explain this. If it rains, then I will take my umbrella. I'm using first conditional for this example. If it rains, then I will take my umbrella. Take then, throw it away. You don't have to say then. Up to you. I don't. Many people do not. But we never start the sentence with then. Let me explain. If it rains, I will take my umbrella. But when the if clause happens first, it doesn't matter which way round you say them. If it rains, I will take my umbrella. I will take my umbrella if it rains. But we never say, then I will take my umbrella if it rains. We never start a sentence with then. So what was different? Let's look at them again on the screen. If it rains, I will take my umbrella. I will take my umbrella if it rains. What's the difference? Well done. No comma. When we use if first, comma. When we use the result, we don't have a comma. It doesn't matter. Let's look at a couple more. Does the meaning change? You tell me. If I eat, I am not hungry. I am not hungry if I eat. Getting a little bit hungry, actually. If you go to bed early, you wake up early. You wake up early if you go to bed early. So there's a couple of examples, and they show that it doesn't change. It doesn't matter if you start with the condition or the result, because the condition always happens first in real life. So, either way around, up to you. How many are there? What do we use them for? In the previous example, I gave you an example of first conditional. There are 4, but not 1, 2, 3, 4. That would be too easy. 0 conditional, first conditional, second conditional, third conditional. Why? Who knows? Welcome to English class, where many things do not make sense. Let's start with the first one, 0. We use 0 conditional for facts. Okay? Facts. Things that are always true. Facts or routines. The structure of a 0 conditional is if, present simple, present simple. If you heat ice, it melts. That's a scientific fact. You cannot argue with that. If I drink coffee at night, I don't sleep. Technically, a fact, it might not affect everyone the same, but if I drink coffee at night, I don't sleep. So it is a fact. First conditional. We use this for real future events. When we're talking about the future, something that is possible. If, present simple, will, base verb. If it rains tomorrow, I will stay home. If I see John, I will tell him you said hi. So this is about real possibilities, stuff that could actually happen. Second conditional, unreal or imaginary. So we use this for things that are unlikely or imaginary or possible. Structure, if, past simple, would, base verb. Would is important. If, past simple, would, base verb. If I were a bird, I would fly away. Well, I'm never going to be a bird, so this one is imaginary. If I had $1 million, I would buy a beach house. Well, I don't have $1 million, so it's imaginary, but this one could come true. I hope it does. I would love to live near the beach. So this one's about dreaming or complaining. Third conditional. This is the last one, guys, don't worry. Regret or the past. Things that cannot be changed. Things that are not possible. Things that didn't happen, but maybe you wish that they did. The structure, if, past perfect, would have, past participle. What is past participle? Past participle is what we used to call verb 3. Drink, drank, drunk. Verb 3, past participle. I'm giving you the correct vocabulary here, but normally I just say verb 3. If I had studied more, I would have passed the exam. I didn't study, so I didn't pass the exam. The past, that can't be changed. If we had left earlier, we wouldn't have missed the train. Well, we didn't leave earlier, and we did miss the train. Somebody wasn't very happy that we missed the train. So that is our 4 conditionals. 0, first, second, and third. What was that question? Can we mix them? Yes, we can. Mixed conditionals. There are a couple that you can mix together, like the past affecting the present. If I had gone to bed early, I wouldn't be tired now. So the condition is in the past, but the result is in the future. Clever. Don't worry about mixed conditionals. Let's master the first 4 conditionals first, okay? As a quick recap, 0 conditional, if, present simple, comma, present simple. If you touch fire, it burns. First conditional, if, present simple, will, base verb. If I study, I will pass. Second conditional, if, past tense, would, base verb. If I knew, I would tell you. Third conditional, if, past perfect, would have verb 3, past participle. If I had left, I would have told you. So that's the end of our short video today about conditionals. And if you look back on the thumbnail for this video, if you watch this video, you will learn. Let me know in the comments below if that's true. Did you learn? I hope you did learn. Think about a time where you heard someone talking conditionals. It probably wasn't very long ago. If you think about it, you will remember. If you had thought about it, you would have remembered. David, stop it. Enough. Enough. Sorry, I get carried away sometimes. Okay, so thank you very much for watching to the end. If you like this grammar video, I will put it in my playlist titled Grammar. If you want to watch more grammar videos or some interesting vocabulary videos, click on this video up here. Until next time, thank you all so much for watching. Bye-bye.